I don't like the setup. I don't like it at all. Look at this lighting. It's horrible. I can't put it over here either because there's nowhere to put stuff. Okay. Let's try this, I guess. Don't mind me. I look disgusting. I came back from the gym. Went to Trader Joe's to get some groceries because I wanted to cook something because I'm not going to be home tomorrow for Thanksgiving night. I'll be here in the morning, but I go to work tomorrow night. So, here I am. Hopefully you don't hear the TV. My parents are stubborn old people. Every video I film, this is why it takes so long to edit. I have to edit out all the noise. Okay, rant over. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking with me type of video. I've got a banh mi in hand. I bought... Okay, where did that go? Oh, right here. I bought some mozzarella for a snack, of course. Sorry, I'm talking my mouth open. It's a bad habit. I got some ingredients for a green bean casserole. You got some mushrooms, portobello soup, cream soup, green beans, fried onions, and some cheese. And we're gonna try to make a green bean casserole. I have noticed, oh my god, here I am rambling again, but I've noticed that I use the word like a lot whenever I talk. So I'm gonna make a conscious effort to stop using the word like when I talk. Here we go. See, I didn't say it, but I thought it again. Alright, where do we begin? Okay, so the recipe is on the side of this cream of portobello mushroom and also on the fried onions. So I'm just gonna reference that. And I'm gonna type up the ingredient list and recipe and put it in the description below just in case anyone wants to give it a go. Alright, so my first mission is to make sure the oven is clean. Pretty clean, clear. I've already come across a problem. I don't have a casserole dish. Whoops, I'll figure something out. But let's go and prep these ingredients. Alright, so I need a skillet. This is our one giant skillet, and it's occupato, as you can see. Where's my plan B? This. I'm gonna do it in this. Or I'm gonna try to do it in this. This is in my way. What is that? A scratch. Okay. I'm so yellow. And I have to bend down to get in the frame. Yeah, that's better, I guess. Okay, I turned it on. Gonna preheat the oven once again. Hopefully you don't hear the TV. Step 1. Olive oil and butter. This is 2 tablespoons, but it's close enough. Olive oil, I'm just gonna eyeball it too. We need mushrooms. I feel so disorganized right now. Or unorganized? Disorganized? When it says tear here and you tear there, and it doesn't open. So really I need 12 ounces of mushrooms. They're supposed to be brown ones, but I got white ones because I'm a rebel. But I have 10 and that's what I'm going to work with. Also, I'm going to use this as a casserole dish.
Hope it works.
Nope, still can't see what I'm doing. But I'm pouring in. Ooh. I'm gonna start with the butter first. Ah, I dug my nail in the butter. Let's turn it down a little bit. Ooh, look at that butter sizzle. Okay, now I need 2 hands to pour in the oil. Are you ready? Come on, butter. You can do it. Great setup. Alright, I'm gonna add the onions. That's a 2-hand job. What did I just say? Oh no. I'm a mess. So I may have screwed up in using white mushrooms because I'm guessing they have a higher water content than brown mushrooms would. Because I've got a lot of water in here than I was thinking that there should be. Because the stuff should be browning and it's not. Whoops. This looks as soft as it's gonna get, so I'm just gonna add the beans and broccoli. Now, if they were all beans, this would all fit, but this pot is slightly overflowing. This is what we're looking at. I'm hoping it wilts down. Everything wilts down. Cover it for a few minutes while I get some water for the next step. Got a measuring cup and I need half a cup of water. Perfect. Look at those eye bags. Oh. Whoops. Ah. So apparently I hear it's a new thing that we can't even play like 2 seconds of the copyrighted song now. What? I haven't been uploading lately because I've just been busy. Like, I graduated and then it finally hit me that like things are gonna be changing. Things are a-changing. And I don't know. I just fell out of inspiration. I became uninspired. And also, there was a video that I was editing and I just like was stuck in it because there was so much noise and I just wanted to get the cute stuff in there, but there was so much background noise that it was horrible. Horrible. And that's like also why I've been sick of editing too. But hey, let's get back into it. So my broccoli doesn't look like it's getting any smaller. The beans, I'm not too sure. Oh, it's definitely, something's definitely happened though. I just hold the lid and like shake it up. Okay, father. Let's not get TV rage now. No chance of me stirring that at all. Is this zoomed in? Did I accidentally zoom in? So I'm gonna try the lid and shake method. Ooh, that's hot. Rude. It shut off on me. Anyway, now that I'm eating a lot, I just I don't know why I'm starting to feel full. Maybe because I'm stacking on cheese. No, soup and water. You can see the very top of it, alright? I'll take what I can get. So quick story time while I'm mixing this. So I didn't have work today, I had a day off. Thanks for the disruption, mother. So, as I was saying, I didn't have to go to work today, I had a day off. And that kind of meant that I woke up at actual normal person time. And I didn't really eat much. I had some like Korean fish cake and brown rice, and I guess that wasn't enough for my body. Maybe I needed more carbs or something. I don't know. But when I went to the gym, alright, I had eaten at maybe around 11-ish to noon. And when I went to the gym at 4, I was just feeling it. Like exhausted more than I usually do. That was so weird, and I guess that also comes to show that like eating is important. I wasn't like purposefully starving myself or something or anything. I just thought that that would be enough food for me for the day, since it was like pretty low activity except for the gym. But yeah, lesson learned, fuel your bodies, kids. Okay, now that it is mixed thoroughly, Father, are you done? Are you done? Thank you. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Here's the little casserole dish, which I'm gonna give a little wash to just in case. Here. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this into this. Woo-hoo, we did it! So, Larry, what are we doing? I'm a mess. I'm doing half a can of this, which I'm not gonna measure this. I'm just gonna sprinkle it on there, and also the cheese. I think I might end up using the whole bag, but who knows. Also, I'm gonna give it a taste because cheese. I hope I didn't get that recorded. Here's the setup. Did I just licked my fingers. Okay, why did I have that playing as I was filming this? Anyway, so this is the finished product. I ended up browning the cheese a little bit, unintentionally of course, but I mean, it still looks pretty good. Ooh, it's like crunchy too. At this point, I've been at this for so long, I'm not that excited to eat it anymore, to be honest, but we'll give it a bite. Yum! Okay, there's no way I can edit the sound of the TV away. So I'm gonna go eat somewhere else. Chances are you'll still hear remnants of the TV. Why is it so dark right here? Alright, so chances are you're still gonna hear remnants of the TV, but it's way better here. My ears are still kind of ringing, but is a little better, a little bit better. Once I get my YouTube on, I can stay here and eat just fine. But we're gonna get, I mean, I guess I cheated and had my first bite when I was downstairs, but this is like the first official bite. That was so good. Gonna get a piece of the topping. Oh yeah, topping is everything. Alright, so quick review of this recipe. If you have some time on your hands, I recommend it. But if you don't have time on your hands, I don't recommend it. This took me about 2 hours to do. I think around 2, I don't know, maybe like 1.5 to 2. And usually after I go to the gym, I try to eat within the hour after, just because that's how you get the most absorption or something like that. I don't know. It's good for your body, it's good for the gains. But yeah. Where am I going with this? I say too much. But yeah, it's a pretty good recipe if you ever want to try it out. I recommend it. Not spawn. Hashtag not spawn. But yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever floats your boat, and I will see you next time in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scouts!